Hey guys, I'm up in my sunroom. It's not sunny right now though. Look out there. Look at all that snow. Well, this is the first snow of the season. And actually, winter didn't even get here yet. I see some of my neighbor over there shoveling snow. I don't know if you could see her. Yeah, she's shoveling snow off those steps. The trees are always beautiful when it snows. Look down there. Then over on this side, my other yard. You can see how deep it is based on the furniture that's out there. See? Then over there on the other side, but you can't see the snow on the young grass over there. But I was out there, I'm telling you, it was terrible driving. And I don't normally drive in snow like this. I see there's motion in the backyard. I don't see anything. Oh, my dog is out there. She just went back in the house. Yep. It's our first snowstorm. You know the trees always look so beautiful when the snow falls. But cleaning it up is, ugh. See all that moist stuff, that moss that's on our fence over there comes from those trees. All right, guys. But I made it out. I'm going to show you my haul in a minute. All right. Okay, guys. I didn't make it to where I wanted to go. I went to Family Dollar, and I had to put together a little deal. All right, guys. I'll see you in a few. This is our first snow of the season, guys. Look at that. It's a lot of it today, and it's sticking. Look out there. And it's cold. Yesterday it was so cold, and today the snow finally came. Yep. This is winter in Long Island, New York. Yep, I just came back in from Family Dollar. That's how far I got today. I didn't get any further than that. All right, guys. I'll be right back. Hi, guys. Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I went to Family Dollar today. I just had to get out of the house. And, you know, we were having that big snowstorm. You see in the pictures that I showed you that we were having a big snowstorm. And when I left the house, it wasn't snowing that bad. And I wanted to go to Dollar General because, you know, they're having that toy sale. Everybody's been putting it up on Instagram, on Facebook. And, not Facebook, but YouTube. But I haven't gotten there yet. I was going to go today, but then I said, well, it may look all right now, but I know this weather is going to get worse, and it's going to be so much snow, I'm not going to be able to drive. I'm not used to driving in the snow. So I rode, and then I started heading to Dollar Tree. But by the time I went to 7-Eleven and came out of there, and I said, oh, the visibility is not good at all. I better not go all the way over there to the Dollar General. So I turned around, came back around, and I said, well, I don't know. And I had purpose to stop in the CVS, but when I came around, there was parking spots in front of Family Dollar. So I said, well, let me go in there and see what I can get. And I know that Family Dollar used to have this like $5 off of $25. But I looked on the app and I saved certain coupons to my card on the app for Family Dollar. And they did not, they didn't have that 5 off 20. So anyway, I went in and I looked around and I bought a few things. You know, I first bought these cotton rounds. They are $1, and that's what I'm used to paying for them. I bought 3 of them. The cotton rounds, I use these when I do my face. So I paid $3 for these. I didn't have any coupons at all for them. And then I started looking around. I was looking at their body washes, their shampoo, their lotions. And you know something? Some of their products are more expensive at Family Dollar than they are other places. So I said, I'm not buying that. So anyway, I went in the back where the detergent is, and I saw these things. So I saw the Gain. Look, this here, it's 105 count Gain product. And what it is, it's the dryer sheets. The same ones that they sell for $4.95 over there in, when they're on sale over there in Dollar General. But here I got them for $5.25. Like what, 30 cents more? Maybe 35 cents more. And that 35 cents is equal to the gas that I would have spent to get over there. So, $5.25. I had a $2 off coupon that I was able to use with that. Then I also bought these Tide Pods. They were $4.95. And I had a $2 off coupon, so that brought them down to $2.95. I mean, I spent a little bit more because I know I could get them for $1.95 at Dollar General. Then I bought the Gain Flings, the Moonlight Breeze, and the 14 count, and I had a $3 off coupon. They were $4.50, had a $3 off coupon, so then I brought it down to $1.50. And with all of the laundry products and the cotton rounds, I paid $10.70, and that was before tax. And I didn't think that was too bad. I didn't get anything, but you know what? I said I haven't come out here for nothing. I'm gonna go back with something, so that's why I ended up getting this. Not bad. I saved 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I saved $7 off of the laundry stuff, so that wasn't bad. And to have to pay only $10.70, and I also got the cotton rounds. I don't think that was that bad. All right. So thank you guys for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I do a video. All right. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.